Hey, Joe here. Today, I'm going to change the oil on my Sportster 48. Follow along, hopefully this helps you out. First, you have to remove the oil tank cap. Underneath your engine, you'll find the petcock that is used to drain the oil from the engine. Place a drain pan underneath the petcock. This clamp needs to be loosened and the plug removed from the petcock to drain the oil. This is what you remove from the hose. Allow a few minutes for the oil to drain. Once the oil has slowed to a drip, which took about 10 minutes on my motorcycle, reinstall the plug into the petcock and tighten the clamp. I like to take a piece of cardboard, cut it right here, and roll it so that I can take it and fit it around the oil filter to catch any oil that might drip when removing the filter. I bought this Harley Davidson oil filter remover because I've removed the filter without it before and it was quite a pain. This makes it much easier. I use my hand with a rag to catch the rest of the oil from dripping. Next, we're going to install the new oil filter. After we put a little bit of old oil here on the seal, pretty common thing people do, I use an OEM Harley Davidson oil filter. Just kind of hand tight is fine. Slippery hand tight. Perfect. I use Mobil 1 V-Twin 20W50. This includes an additive for a wet clutch, which is unnecessary on this motorcycle because the transmission is separate from the engine as far as the oil system goes. There's I just put red line lightweight shockproof in the transmission on this bike, and I just use this Mobil 20W50 in the engine. I generally start by adding 3 quarts of oil, and then I run the bike for a few minutes, shut it down, let it settle for a minute, and then I check the oil level and top off if necessary. Okay, I've let the bike warm up, and it's time to check the oil level. What do we have? It looks like it's just a hair high, but it's pretty good. I'm sure that once that oil gets all through everywhere, we'll be just right.